Yes, welcome back to the new video. So today we'll solve customers who brought all products problem. Problem number 1045. What we have given is a customer table and a product table. Customer table holds the following columns: customer ID and product key. Customer ID cannot be null because it is not null. And the product key is a foreign key to the product table. Okay. And in the product table, the product key column is the primary key column. What we need to find out is basically we need to find out customers basically who brought all the products in the product table. So we'll get their customer IDs basically of the customers basically who brought all the products in the product. We can return the result table in any order. So when you see this example, you will see that we have two customers, the customer ID 1 and 3, who brought all the products from the product table. So you can see that in the product table we have 5 and 6 products, means product with a product key 5 and product with a product key 6. So we say that customer 1 brought product with a product key 5 and also brought product key 6 product. Similarly, the 3 brought both the products, 5 and 6 basically, but the second only brought the 6 products. So that's why the customer who brought all the products, that is 5 and 6, are the customers with the IDs 1 and 3. They are returned as output. So for this problem, basically, we need to do two things. Basically, first of all, we need to check whether that customer ID particular product key, customer table particular product key should exist in the product table product key. Also, we need to check that the distinct count for each customer, the distinct count of product key in the customer table should match with the distinct count of product key in the product table. So that will be the filtering condition basically. So what we need to will select basically customer ID basically from customer table basically, and we'll check where your product key. So first we will tackle that condition whether that product key values exist in the product table product key column basically. So here we'll select distinct product key from product table. So it's a product table, not products. Okay. So this part of my query basically it will just check basically whether that product key values in the customer table exist in the product key column values in the product table. That will be the first condition that we need to check. We'll group it by your customer ID because we want it for each customer. We are checking this condition for each customer and we use a having clause over here. Now this having clause will ensure that the customer in the customer table got all the product from the product table basically. So we'll use count of distinct product key. Make sure it is equals to select count of distinct product key from product table. Yeah. So what we are doing over here is that basically we are getting the customer ID. So we want in the output customer ID from the customer table. We are checking first of all we are checking whether that particular values of the product key exist in the product table product key column. So for that where your product key is in select distinct product key company and we are grouping it by customer ID because we want this thing to for each customer. Basically we are using a having clause over here. This having clause will generally filter out all the records where your customer table product key distinct values count of the distinct values should be equal to the product key distinct values basically from the product table. Okay. So yeah, so having count of distinct product key is equal to select count of distinct one. So let me explain you better in the example basically. So you can see that basically here we have let's suppose that for customer ID one basically. So for customer ID one, basically, first of all, we'll check the product key value, the product key column basically of the customer table. Does this exist in the product key column or not? So we'll check that basically. That after that part happens, we will just get the count of distinct product key. So this count of distinct product key will be from customer table basically. So here you can see that for customer with the customer ID one, we have two product key in the product key column. So here count will be two. That will be equal to this. Now here, this part will give us the distinct product key values actually from the count of distinct product key values from the product key. So here we have only two values, two distinct values. Here we will two. So that record, that's a customer with the customer ID one will be shown in the app. Similarly, for three, it will be shown. And two will be excluded because here two will have this one equal to two condition. That is not true. So two will not be shown in the app. Now let me remove this and run this query. Yeah. So our query get accepted. The desired output matches with the expected. I hope this query is clear basically. So if you have any doubt or if you not able to get it basically, just put your query in the comment and I will get back to you with your answer. Yeah. Thank you.